Getting started with API development. Here, we will start implementing APIs by using Lumen. First, create and set up database. For any Lumen project, for setting up a database, first, we have to create a migrations. Then, we have to execute a migrations. Once the migrations are executed, you have the tables created in your database. Once the tables are created, you can create a seeders and populate database with seeders. We already have seen how we can create a migrations and how we can execute a migrations. We also have seen how we can create seeders and added a single row in our table by using a seeder. For our example, we will create one more seeder where we can add number of rows in our table. For that, go to the terminal and create a seeder. PHP artisan mac populate users table. Now, seeder is created successfully. We will execute the seeder by calling it in database seeder file. We'll populate our users table with some dummy rows by executing in for loop. This will insert 10 random rows in our users table. Now we have the seeders. Now execute the seeder. That's it. Now if you go to the table, you can see 10 rows inserted in your users table. So this is how you can populate database by using a seeder.